Maaring magsampa ng karagdagang mga kaso ang Estados Unidos sa dating leader ng Venezuela na si Nicolas Maduro. Inanunsyo ito ni United States President Donald Trump sa meeting ng kanyang gabinete sa White House. Sa kasalukuyan, humaharap si Maduro sa narco-terrorism at narcotics-related charges sa New York. Joanna Malari para sa detalye.
Binaliwala ng isang judge ang argumento ng mga abogado ni dating Pangulong Nicolas Maduro ng Venezuela na ibasura ang mga kasong drug trafficking laban dito. Argumento nila, ito ay dahil hinaharangan ng US na gumamit si Maduro ng pera mula sa gobyerno ng Venezuela para tustusan ang depensa niya. Ayon sa judge, itutuloy ang kaso pero susuriin niya ang abilidad ng dating leader na gumamit ng pondo mula Caracas. Samantala, nagpasaring si Pangulong Donald Trump na maaaring magsampa ang Washington ng karagdagang mga kaso laban kay Maduro.
He emptied his prisons in Venezuela, emptied his prisons into our country, and I hope that charge will be brought at some point, because that was a big charge that hasn't been brought yet. It should be brought.
Matatanda ang hinuli ng US military si Maduro at asawang si Celia sa isang raid sa Venezuela noong Enero. Iginiit ni Trump sa kanyang gabinete na dapat papanagutin si Maduro sa lahat ng krimeng ginawa nito.
But I would imagine there are other trials coming because they've really sued him just in a fraction of the kind of things that he's done. Other cases are going to be brought, as you probably know.
Samantala, dalawang grupo ang nagrally sa labas ng hearing. Sigaw ng mga taga-suporta ng dating Venezuelan leader, palayain si Maduro.
They've done nothing wrong. They've committed no crimes. Like Alex Saab, the Venezuelan diplomat, they're just being abused by the U.S. government, and we demand their freedom.
Brooklyn is housing right now the prisoners of war, Nicolas Maduro and Celia Flores. And we have so many other things as a city, as a country to spend money on that's not housing people that we kidnap, that is like prisoners of war and spending money on war and aggression.
Para naman sa mga kontra, dapat hatulan si Maduro at humarap sa parusa ng korte. Bintang nila, binayaran ang pro-Maduro protesters para mag-rally.
And they're here protesting because they got paid. This is a work day for them. You know, they start protesting at 8 in the morning, but that's why we are here, real Venezuelan, telling people, telling the world what's the truth in my country. We still have a dictatorship. We still are in a process to be freedom. So that's why we're here.
As a Venezuelan, it's important for me to be here to witness, perhaps indirectly, Nicolas Maduro, the man mainly to blame for everything Venezuelans have suffered these last years, face some sort of justice.
Sa kabiserang Caracas, nagprotesta din ang mga naniniwala pa rin sa dating pinuno at nanawagan na palayain nito at ang asawa niya. Joanna Malari para sa Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.